Hey everyone, so today I am opening a care package from motomachines.com. They sent me some crash protection for my bike to test out, so I'm super excited to get this stuff on the bike and get out into the dirt. Motomachines.com is a pretty awesome website. It's a small family-owned business. They sell everything motorcycle accessories, crash bars, skid plates, everything for all different kinds of bikes. Really awesome website, so definitely go check them out. Like I said, they were nice enough to send me this gear to test out, so super huge shout out to them for that. Really excited to open this box up. I think this is going to be the crash bars and the skid plate. I'm going to open it up and check it out, and then I will be installing this stuff on the bike. I am actually waiting for a few other parts that were on back order. Those should be in the next couple of days, and in the next few weeks I'll kind of do like an overview of everything that I've done to the bike as far as accessories go. I have a few other things on the bike that didn't come from this company, so I'll be talking about all of that in the next couple of weeks. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this box up and see what we got. Okay, so the first thing here looks like the lower crash bars for the Triumph Tiger 850 Sport. Got the upper crash bars. These things are really solid. That's a pretty thick diameter on these crash bars. That's pretty cool. And a skid plate. So these crash bars and skid plate are from a company called Hepco and Becker. Motomachines.com definitely has a lot of stuff from Hepco and Becker on their website. These things feel super solid, pretty thick diameter like I said, and I love the black color. The powder coating is pretty awesome. Okay, now that I got this stuff all opened up and I've had a chance to kind of check it out a little bit, it's time to start putting this stuff on the bike. Okay, so I got everything put on the bike. It was pretty easy installation. Did have a little bit of issues with the upper crash bars, but Moto Machines actually had a pretty good video of how to install it on their website, so that was definitely helpful. Definitely made it a lot easier because the paper instructions that come with the stuff is just not always that easy to follow. So anyways, thanks again to motomachines.com. Definitely go check out their website. They're a really awesome company. They got a great selection for parts for almost every bike you can think of. So definitely go check them out. Huge shout out to them. Thanks for sponsoring this video. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Ride safe.